Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whatsoever time you may come across this video. Here is your sister, your friend, your daughter, your cousin, your all-in-one human being, Franklin Egali, one of the universe. Today, this video is going to be about a guy, a Nigerian brother who was speaking about how some landlords in Europe are treating them.
Every time Nigeria people say Oyibo no dey give black house, Oyibo no do this one, Oyibo wicked, and not give. You not wicked, not be you wicked pass. Now you wicked pass. You will be say you give your fellow black house. You know let her get peace. Una keep person house, person wey dey follow una stay house. Una stay with una woman, una stay with una children. So go get 4 children, all of them will be five family. They will have to there. Okay, you join the rent house. You see the fellow they pay the same bill. But the day when you be one person call house, stay with you 3 days. But they go they pepper them. They go say bill one eye. But you the follow that they pay the bill where their children they use. They not they talk that one. Only them go they look you if they progress, you they dress. They go they pay them for body. If you they shop better food, they go they pay them. Okay, what you not come what? Make person go suffer come. Okay, what did I hear the pay? Make person go suffer come. You can't buy one fish. If you don't buy one fish, you can't reach out. You can't beg for Maggi and oil when you want to cook rice. Okay, now that kind of thing, that's what they like. May you just suffer. May you wear your shirt. They'll come and they sorry for you. They'll come and tie into your family life. Because they know how you take there. They want to do tafia. Well, yes, the teacher that they help you now. Like, they mock you. They mock you. If you go also shop better food. Shop where leave them. If you let me the one time, they die. Muna stop all this jealousy. Muna stop all this jealous heart. Muna stop it. Not good. With the class say government not good. Now we even worse pass. What if they do not good? Your renters no get peace. We not they see Gambia, we not they see Seneca. We not they see the way they do. If the renters give their fellow brother. Okay, this pandemic Krishna son see the draw accident that say tomorrow not day. When they no say person wey dey with them for us not get work. They go they draw money. The way go take draw money say even Oyibo will get the house. You not draw money like that. And for those of una wey be say Oyibo leave accident for una for this pandemic. I don't see not be all boss one. I believe so Oyibo leave accident for una. Una come see collect money for una fellow tenant. Una come eat the money. Say, mona you know say, now the suffer that tenant wey you put for house, so you suffer already suffer. Now you shop. If you chop the money, so Oyibo dash you rent. You not leave the money for you see collect am. Now you suffer, now you shop. Okay, you tell that person as you dey beg me do hospitality for you. May you carry go police station, go renew your document. Don't say me you pay 200 euro. And if they reach police station, don't they pay anything. They go let go here for the do all this photo, starting this, they'll collect paper, they don't want collect 1 euro, they don't pay. They'll call the charge you 200 euro. Okay, what is the person going to pay you accident for? And the more time the person will pay you 200 euro. It depends. So they pay 150, so they pay 180. So they pay 250 euro for 1 room. They'll see pay cash, pay everything give you. You know they sorry for person. Man, stop on. Unless you not progress. You not progress, you not stop on. Man, allow to the respect people where they stay with us. People where they stay with us. Now respect them. Because at the end of the day, if I go check out when they pay on us rent, how much they pay? When I carry small money, when I put out for rent, person they pay una. Man, they respect the person, Man, they respect person. That's why I talk and reach. I know say go upset many people. If you upset you, change. Do the needful, do what is right. So that God could make you progress. God will see bless you the way they bless your tenants.
Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whatsoever time you may come across this video. Here is your sister, your friend, your daughter, your cousin, your all-in-one human being, Franklin Egali, one of the universe. Today, this video is going to be about a guy, a Nigerian brother who was speaking about how some landlords in Europe are treating them. This our brother was complaining about some Nigerian people that they normally rent house 1 room from them, but the way the people that rented the flat, the way they are not treating them is unbelievable. It's not like they are not the owner of the house. But anyway, as for my own aspect of view, having a home in Europe is so difficult. To have a own house, own flat is difficult. And for them putting you down, treating you bad is not good. They don't have to treat you bad. Everybody has to stay on their lane, be on their own. Because I still remember then when I was in one room. Anyway, there are some people, they are good. If you stay with them, they are so nice. They are so nice. There are some people when you live with them, they are not that good living with other people. But as for you, as the person that is staying in one room, you need to learn how to adjust yourself in some kind of aspect. Just adjust. Okay, just a little bit. Okay, and I don't think maybe you didn't pay your house rent. You didn't pay your house rent. You didn't pay your house rent. You didn't pay your gas bill. You didn't pay your light bill, and you went to buy you are cooking food. You are cooking. You didn't even pay the gas bill. My brother, your landlady will get angry. Your landlord will get angry. They will not get angry except if you pay all your dues. There will not be an argument, and they will respect you. They will appreciate you, the kind of person that you are. But if you are not paying all that, you want to come and be eating African food every day, my brother, they will attack you. It can't be. You that is staying in their house is eating African food without paying. If you pay, you can eat whatsoever you like. But without paying your dues, without paying your house rent, without paying your light bill, without paying your gas bill, without paying all your bills that you should pay, you are eating African food. My brother, your landlord will get angry. Okay? That is what I say to you. What everybody will be joining together, everybody will be putting together. Okay? Anyway, the way some people normally treat person is kind of bad. This is so true, because since I left program, I have had up to 6 different sub landlord and landladies within Europe, but it is this different guy who not mind even if you communicate people in one, as long as you want. He will not ask you for extra money, but you see, that is what I'm talking about. But when the utility bill come, all the occupants divide it by number in the apartment. This guy is so good. I pray. I pray God to promote him in all his endorsement. You see, there are different people in life. There are the good and the bad and the terrible. It is so sad. Some of them, some landlords will still call or palava for you when their hand not clean. No, before you have a house, your hand must be clean. It's difficult anyway. You need to get to that stage for you to understand why they are like that. Why they are like that. Some people are good, some people are not. You see, a guy who have a flat, he just put everybody into that flat. But don't worry, don't pay. As far as you want to stay in the house, he will let you to stay in his house without you paying any bill, without you paying any fine. But when the bills come, everybody will share it one level. You see, everybody with their own category, everybody with their own state of mind, everybody with their own personality, everybody with their own attitude, everybody with their own individual mindsets. Please, so don't do ask for extra money. I remember when I gave birth, they asked me for extra money. Oh, even non-hospital, do not say what you do not know well. Okay, thanks. He is not talking of all of the landlord. He said some, which is true. Everybody cannot be wicked and be a landlord. Being a landlord does not make people wicked. A wicked person is always a wicked person. Wickedness is the heart, even when they sleep in their chair. You see that? Even in their chair or in their churches, there are different kinds of people, okay? Don't take it personally, or you need to come and maybe you don't have idea. You are out from camp. You now got one immediately. You will not have that mindset of landlord. They are wicked. No. Everything depends on human being. Everything depends on the way you emotionally take it, or the way you establish your mind to take it. That is what I think. But I think the more you grow old, the more you are feeling more, why does this thing happen to me? I think when you are young, you don't give a damn what happened to this thing happen. But when you are now getting old, I am now getting mature, any little thing you feel so, you feel so bad. I feel so bad about this thing. Why does this thing happen to me? I don't want these things. You understand? The more you grow, the more you become like that. That is my own experience. Landlord and landlady for you, tenant for Nigeria, who na dey here. When said, brother, this is what happened to me. Listen, she never considered the situation that is on. All she wants is money. They forgot life is scam. God will never forgive wicked landlords. Amen. That should be true. Please, those of you that is landlords, learn from this place. But some tenants are so horrible. Oh my God. Someone can just be. Someone can just be. No, some tenants are horrible. Some tenants are nice. Having it in your mind that you still pay. Therefore, what you pay today or next year, you are still owing. So if you have the money, settle yourself and relax your mind. Exactly. If you are paying their bills, if you pay your bills, they will respect you, appreciate you, and value you according to the worth that you have presented. Understand? But if you are not paying the bills, you are eating goat meat, eating ogbono, eating draw soup, eating pepper soup. Eating pepper soup, buy 1 carton of fish, buy full goat of meat without paying your restaurant, brother. Landlord will get them. They will get them. But when you settle your dues, the worst part of it, na person wey even carry me go the house. The person even not say the house don't knock, but still carry me go the house, and the claim say she be my sister by betraying. Can you imagine wetin money go cost for this? Oh, I still remember that time. That is how we don't even know. We didn't even know that this house, this man was just lying. Me and my girlfriends, we were 3 in number. Oh, we were 3, yeah. Or 4. Yeah, we were 4 in number. No, 3. We paid, everybody now donated their money. We now paid for the flat. After paying for the flat, we stayed there 2 weeks. After 2 weeks, we now see a man. This man will now come and be shouting on us. What are you people doing in my house? What are you people doing in my house? Why are you people in my house? You people don't supposed to be in my house. They're kind of surprised. They're kind of surprised that we paid for this house. They didn't give us any contract. We paid for this house. We paid for this house. We didn't even argue because then we cannot argue because we are not that bold enough to ask the man who is he and why is he threatening us, or why he want to do that, or why he want to do that. Because we just neutral, we just stupid, just came to we are just our early days. You understand? Before you know what was happening, we now respect ourselves because the man said that he's going to call us police, and we do not want that country police to harass us at all because their wahala is not good at all. Any country in this Europe, their wahala is not good. Even here in Spain, some people will say, I stay in the country, not like Spain and Italy. Or you are in the backyard, that is why you think Spain and Italy are. There is no difference. They take that things seriously, deal with things seriously, you understand? All countries, little bit different mentality, but all of them is almost all are the same. You understand? They should be the same. They work the same. They are love, they are the same. Just a little bit difference of laws. Little bit difference of laws, things like that. Man was not getting laws. Why are we here? Who brought us here? I was scared because I don't even have ID. The other two girls, one of us she was more bold, you understand, she was more bold, and she now asked the man, who are you? The man said that he is the owner of this house. Why are we here? We said that we now told the man that we rented this house and we paid so money to rent this house. That house then, the man said that no, he just traveled for maybe 6 months. Maybe the person was thinking something happened to him, or there are some people, they will batch on some people's house. If you are not around for 1 year, they will batch on your house and open the door. They will rent it to somebody before you come back, or before you want to deal with the issues, things like that. You understand? The one was not threatening us. We said okay, we later went to look for another. Oh Jesus Christ, to suffer and be enjoyment. We now got to another house. So this man is a white man. He married a Nigerian. Is it Nigeria or a Ghana lady, Ghana black woman? Man used to talk every day that this Ghana woman took his children around the way. This Ghana woman took his children around the way. So I've seen a lot of things in life. This Ghana woman took his children around the way. He took his children around the way. Well, we are so scared too. And later what happened? Everybody know. Did we go to another house? Because the house where we were staying before, police continued batching on us. We stopped paying. The person that owns the house said that no, he cannot accommodate us anymore. That house was so perfect for us. But the Ghana said that he cannot accommodate us anymore based on the disturbances the letter the police has sent to them that we are them, that we cannot stay in those homes. That's why. And since the guy was a black guy from South Africa, he now said that okay, we need to leave. That is how we now went to the first one where we cheated us. Later we went to the second one. The man was saying that oh God, stress, my God, I didn't even take it serious. But if it is weird this time, I could have been feeling it then. I do not take anything serious. Yuppie. But this time is kind of different, but I don't know why. It's just like that, I don't know why. You understand? We now left down the first one. We now before. Later we left, we were in another place. No, I went to rent my own one room. Later, a lot of fights. All those girls that was living there, they were always fighting. And the fight was too much. And the person that gave me the room said that she went to space. Let's see that she's coming back. I need to get that room. I went to rent one small room like that. Oh my God. After renting a small room, I was there with one of my friends, one of my girlfriends. Then, before we know what is happening, another day, because the police want us to stay in camp, but we don't want to stay in camp. We are child. I just should be 21 years old then. Yeah, we're 21 years old. Long time ago, let's say 16 years ago, 15 years ago, 14 years ago, like that, we are just like you that is feeling that your landlord is treating you bad. It's not new. It's with time. You graduate from there, graduating, later you become your owner of yourself. Take this easy, if you don't have documents yet, you don't need to be fighting people around you. You don't need to be insulting people around you. You don't need to dislike people around you because you do not have documents yet, and you are not thinking because of them that they give you the document. No, it's little by little. When your time will come, that urge will push you for you to go through the whole process. You go through the process and you will overcome it. You will get it. Okay? Be patient. Don't be. Mostly our Nigerian people, please. When you see people, white people, they are doing well, you are like, they are that, they are this. You people should remember we're in their country, okay? Not because you are in Europe for a long time, you didn't go back, you don't know what is happening. When you go back to Nigeria, when you see how Nigeria is, when you come to Europe, you just, I don't want to talk, so that they don't go back and insult me with my country. You just shut up. You will not like to say anything again. But that doesn't mean with time you still come over it and boost yourself up again and fight hard to make sure your team gets still the way you want it to understand. Just like that. Please be patient too. If you can mistakenly use that anger to deal with somebody because you do not have that document, your mind is not eating you, your mind is paining you. Anything because you want to do one or two things or the other, but that document is necessary for you to present, but you do not have it yet. Be patient. When you are patient, you go after it, go through the procedure, you will get it. But if you won't person, you keep person, you go and stay in prison for 10 years. If you use the anger to fight somebody, you go and stay in prison for 10 years before you come out. If you should use that 10 years to look for the document will be out. Instead of you to go and waste your life unnecessarily. No, just be patient. Patient is a matter of time. It must come. Even though it's 20 years, your document must arrive. But go through the procedure. Ask questions how it is done. I wish you should do it. Make sure you follow up. Don't just forget it as if I don't have document, there's no problem. No. Go and be asking questions. Go to lawyer. Put it into lawyer hands. Let your lawyer bring the requirement that they need that they are going to present. If you go to this place, it won't go to another place. If you go to another place, like that, it must work. You understand? That is for that. That is a message from Franca Ejale, one of the universe. Franca Ejale, one of Shesheke Nation. Please be patient with your landlords. They saw something before they get to that extent. You understand? Any situation you find yourself, all you have to do is give thanks. If you are alive, give thanks. You don't need to complain because there's no complain. If you like, you complain nothing to work. Nothing is going to change until the change that God wants. I don't know the example that God wanted to give until it's given. If the example have been given, that chapter will be closed. It's not past. It's like that. supposed to respect you because they have nothing. Oh, I remember one of my landlord is that is landlord. Wow, that landlord if I can say one of the shake it's so nice, it's so good. He's a Osula is a yes, Osula is a uncle to him. He's a nephew to Osula. Yes. He's so nice. When I was in trouble, he really helped me. Oh, that man is the best landlord ever. No landlord like him in this whole wide world. He's the best landlord I have ever seen. Understand, everybody that that man is the best landlord. They took me inside. They treat me like a baby. The way my parents used to treat me, they treat all of them. They treated me nice, all of them. The house is like, oh, even my uncle was his friend too. My uncle Dana, is it? Yeah, Dana died. Yeah, that's my uncle friend now. Because a lot of things are happening. Please share this video, share this video. Share it and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Subscribe. You know, when you hear something, it will bring another thing. You hear something, it will bring the things that you have seen or that you have believed. Now come and express it to you. Share the video, please. People should share the video and subscribe to your Franca Italy, one of the Universe channel. Subscribe to it, please. Support your sister. Share the video. Thank you. Comment, like it, give me thumbs up. Say your mind. Okay, your experience, how you went with your landlord or landlady. Okay? Thank you. Bye bye.